Today on the Civic, I'm going to be replacing the stock headlights with these Spec D headlights. And with the headlights, it's the same as the taillights. You have to remove the bumper because there's a couple bolts underneath. Luckily for me, I have a quick release bumper, so that's less bolts to remove. After you take off the radiator shroud and the front bumper, you have to remove this 10mm bolt, this 10mm bolt, and if you follow this headlight support right here, it's right underneath here. Okay, I did forget one. There's this one right here. And then on this, you just have to pry this out away from the headlight, and that'll be ready to come out. Alright, so I'm struggling getting the headlight out without taking this headlight bracket out, which is a 10mm bolt right there. And it should just come out. And here it is with the headlight removed. I already unplugged all the wiring. These headlights didn't come with any instructions, only these headlight and taillight condensation, I guess, whatever. But I want this LED strip to be connected to the parking lights, and I'm going to be doing that with some vampire clips. Not ideal, but just for now. Okay, so I ended up wiring these white and black wires for the LED light into the red and black wire, white to red, black to black, for the side marker, and that's for the running light, not the turn signal. Here's the before with the stock headlights. And here's the after. So this is one of the reasons I wanted the newer lights. Not only do they look better, but they come with the upgraded projector style housings. And this is why I connected it to the parking lights. And here it is with the headlights on. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.